Hello friends, welcome to Pi Study YouTube channel. So today we will learn how to know the given function is even or odd. So आज हम बात करेंगे कि इवन और ऑड फंक्शन को एनालिटिकल और ग्राफिकल अप्रोच से कैसे पता लगाते हैं, हाउ वी कैन आइडेंटिफाई देम. So this video is helpful for class 8 and above the student who and we are providing all the material in very simple English language, so you can learn it very properly. तो आइए बात करते हैं सम और विषम फलन क्या होते हैं. So odd means विषम and even means sum function. So in this first we talk about any function. If any function y is equal to fx is given, so to find out whether the function is even or odd, you have to just put the value of x by minus x. That means you have to replace the x by minus x. So if for any function you will replace x by minus x and then you get minus fx. That means if after putting the value of x by minus x and minus sign come out from the function, then this function is odd function. And odd function is always symmetry about origin. Sometimes people remember about the odd function, like if the add of fx plus f minus x is equal to 0, then this is odd function. So both are same. Like in the odd function, if you have given like f minus x is equal to minus fx and you will take out the fx on the left side, then this will become f minus x plus fx is equal to 0. So this is kind of odd function. Now for even function, if it is even function, then f minus x is equal to fx. इसका मतलब यह हुआ कि फंक्शन जो भी फंक्शन दिया है उसमें x के प्लेस पे माइनस एक्स रखना है, और यदि माइनस चिन्ह बाहर नहीं आता है देन वह इवन फंक्शन है. For example, if fx is equal to cos x and replace x by minus x, then f minus x is equal to cos minus x and cos minus x is equal to cos x. So f minus x is equal to fx. That means it is even function. So these are the some examples. Let us try. Fx is equal to 2x by 1 plus x square. If you will replace x by minus x, then you will get minus of fx. That means it is odd function. And in the second case, fx is equal to x square 1 plus x to the power 4, replace x by minus x, you will get the same function. So it is even function. And in third case, fx is equal to e to the power x minus e to the power minus x ex plus e to the power minus x. Replace x by minus x, then what it will be? E to the power minus x minus e to the power x divided by e to the power minus x plus e to the power x. So take negative common from this function, then you will get minus fx. So fx is equal to minus fx, so it is odd function. In the fourth case, fx is equal to x cube plus x square plus x plus 1. So in this case, if you replace x by minus x, then it is minus x cube plus x square minus x plus 1 is equal to minus f minus x. So in this case, you cannot take out negative sign common from this function. So this type of function is neither even nor odd. So remember, if after replacing x by minus x you are not getting fx or minus fx, then that means this type of function is neither even nor odd. ना तो ये फंक्शन सम है ना तो विषम है. Let us try this equation. fx is equal to log x plus 1 root 1 plus x square. इज इट इवन और ऑड. हमें पता लगाना है कि यह फंक्शन इवन है कि ऑड है. सेम थिंग, रिप्लेस x बाई माइनस एक्स, देन एफ माइनस एक्स इज इक्वल टू लॉग माइनस एक्स प्लस रूट 1 प्लस एक्स स्क्वायर. सो डोंट just putting only minus x, do the some mathematical calculation. So log, so multiply this term f minus x is equal to log minus x plus root 1 plus x square. This term is multiplied by x plus root 1 plus x square in both numerator and denominator. So you will get like this, log 1 plus x square minus x square x plus root 1 plus x square is equal to minus log x plus root 1 plus x square. So you will see that minus negative sign will be come out from this function. So this is minus fx. So this is kind of odd function. So next, fx is equal to x upon e to the power x minus 1 plus x by 2 plus 1. So just replace x by minus x. So f minus x is equal to minus x e to the power minus x minus 1 minus x by 2 plus 1. Then do some mathematical arrangement, like you can write like this, x e to the power x divided by e to the power x minus 1 minus x by 2 plus 1, which means you can write e to the power minus x to 1 upon e to the power x, and then do some mathematical arrangement. So here you can write in the first line, in first line second part, x e to the power x divided by e to the power x minus 1. So on numerator side add plus x and subtract minus x, then you will get like x e to the power x minus 1 divided by e to the power x minus 1 plus x upon e to the power x minus 1 minus x by 2 plus 1. So you will see this function is coming like x upon e to the power x minus 1 plus x by 2 plus 1. So this is equal to fx. That means f minus x is equal to fx. So it is even function. That means it is sum फलन. So answer is even. So again try this one. fx is equal to 2x sin x plus tan x, 2x plus 21 pi divided by pi whole of greatest integer minus 41. So you can write this function like 2x sin x plus tan x, 2, then take out from the property of the greatest integer function, you can write this x plus 21 pi is equal to x plus 21 minus 41. So this will be come like this. Then take the 2 common and you will get fx is equal to 2x sin x plus tan x to x by pi plus 1 by 2 after taking 2 common. Then 2 and 2 will cancel out. Then replace x by minus x. So you will get negative sign out from the function, then it is odd function. तो हमें कभी कभी यह चीज़ ध्यान रखना है कि जब भी हम x के प्लेस पे -x रिप्लेस करें तो तुरंत एक ही स्टेप में हमें आंसर नहीं मिलता है। तो हम सब उसमें क्या करते हैं, कुछ प्रकार का अरेंजमेंट करते हैं, कुछ एक दो स्टेप सॉल्व करते हैं, जिससे कि हम ट्राई करते हैं कि जो हमारा fx है या तो नेगेटिव साइन बाहर आ जाए या सेम fx टाइप का ही आ जाए। तो हम आसानी से पता लगा सकते हैं कि ये फंक्शन fx जो दिया गया है वो सम है या विषम है। तो समटाइम्स वी विल फाइंड दैट इट इज़ वेरी इजी टू फिगर आउट negative sign from outside from the function, but sometimes it is hard. So do one or two step more and you will get. And the problem which is asked in exam it is really very easy. So if you will do one or two step further, then you will conclude to your answer in a good manner. So let us try for another example. If fx is equal to 5, then check either it is even or odd. So fx is equal to 5 is constant function. Put x is equal to -x. Then f minus x is equal to 5 because it is constant function. Nothing is there on the right hand side, so it is equal to fx. So it is even function. Next, fx is equal to signum x power signum x whole to the power n, where n is the odd integer. So in case of signum x, you know, if the value of any function is greater than 1 is greater than 1 is greater than 0 is equal to 1 and less than is equal to -1, then it is called signum function. And this signum function is symmetry about the origin, so it is odd function. Whenever you are finding that the function is symmetry about the origin, then this function is odd function, what I earlier told you in the starting of this module 7. So try this one. In this, what you will do, f implies 20 -20 to range, and fx is given, fx is equal to greatest integer x square by a, sin x plus cos x is even function. Then find the value of a. So in this question it is already given that fx is equal to even function. Then how to solve? Just apply the property of the even function, like f minus x is equal to fx, and where x is there in the function, put -x there and calculate. So when you will calculate, then you will get like greatest integer x square by a is equal to 0, and the value of x lies -20 to +20. So value of x is 20 square by a, 20 square by a is equal to 0. So value of a is greater than 400. 20 square is 400, so a is greater than 400. So if you know inequality very well, then you can solve this question, this type of question, in very easy manner. So next, if fx plus y plus fx minus y is equal to 2fx into fy, remember the when I taught you about some key point regarding the function, some key point of the function, like if this type of function arrangement given, so you can assume this type of function, this type of equation. So in this case, if you will assume fx is equal to cos x, then the function of fx is equal to cos x and fy is equal to cos y satisfy the condition of given in this question. So f and cos x is even function, so directly you can say it is even function. And this is first method to figure out the either the function is even or odd. And second method is just replace x by y and y by x, so you will get this type of function. And again add both the function. After adding, you will get x minus y is equal to f, y minus x. So take and assume x minus y is equal to t, so you will get ft is equal to f minus t. So it is even function because ft is equal to f minus t, that means it is kind of even function. So next, if fx plus y is equal to fx into fy and px given is equal to fx upon 1 plus f square x. So if this type of condition is given, fx plus y is equal to fx into fy, so you directly you have to think for what function we will use this type of condition. So for this we will use fx is equal to e to the power x, and then use the px is equal to e to the power x 1 plus e to the power 2x, then again put x by minus x, then you will get e to the power minus x 1 plus e to the power minus 2x, then you will arrange it in some way, then you will get like p minus x is equal to px. So it is kind of even function. Then if you have to draw the graph of y is equal to 2x upon 1 plus x square, then how to draw it? First draw for the positive portion. In positive portion put x is equal to 0, then you will get 0, y is equal to 0, and put x is equal to 1, then y is equal to, put x is equal to 1, then y is equal to 1. So value of y corresponding to x is equal to 1 is equal to 1. Then again put x is equal to 2. So if you will put x is equal to 2, then y is equal to 2 into 2 upon 1 plus 2 into 2, 2 whole square means 4 by 5. So now you will see the value of x is, the value of y is decreasing as x is increasing. So and from this figure you can generalized, you can say that it is kind of hyperbolic type of function. So you will, for the first coordinate you will draw like this as you seen in figure. So you will see it is kind of odd function, so it is symmetric about origin. So once you draw the positive first coordinate, then you will take the symmetry about origin and you will get the plot for whole the graph y is equal to 2x, y is equal to 2x plus 1 plus x square. Then draw the plot for this. So this is plot related to mod taken only for mod x only, it is not the mod of whole function. So if mod is taken only for x, then take the symmetry about y axis and do not consider the negative portion of x axis. So you will get plot like this. Then next, if y is equal to x upon 1 plus mod x is given, then first draw y is equal to y is equal to 1 by x type of plot. Then again you have to, before starting solve this type of question, you have to either there are two kind of judgment to draw the plot of this question. One, you are like you have done so many practice that after seeing this plot you can draw like this. Either go for case by case. So I suggest you to go case by case. So in first case assume x is greater than 0. So mod x is equal to x, then y is equal to x upon 1 plus x, y is equal to x plus 1 minus 1 upon 1 plus x, y minus 1 is equal to minus 1 upon x plus 1, then capital Y is equal to minus 1 upon x, then it is kind of hyperbolic function. So you can directly draw the hyperbolic function, and after drawing the hyperbolic function take the symmetry. Once you draw the hyperbolic function like this, then in this question y minus 1 is there, that means y is equal to 1 plus y is equal to minus 1 upon x plus 1 plus 1. so your graph is shifted one unit upper side, then you will get like this. Then once the mod is taken, then you will get plot like this for only for the x is greater than only for the first coordinate, and take the second case when x is less than 0, then you will get like this. So in this case you will get the plot in third and in the fourth coordinate and the third and first coordinate. So as per the condition only you have to take x is less than 0. So combine both the graph, then you will get the plot for final plot like this. Right from the blue arrow, this is plot for y is equal to x upon 1 plus mod x. So once you draw this plot, so you can draw it easily. So for this plot, you draw y is equal to x upon 1 plus mod x. You have drawn it like this. It is even function, then take the symmetry about origin. So once you take that symmetric about first you take the mod of the, it is even function, so it is mod of x, so take the symmetry about y axis and do not consider negative portion. Then again you take the symmetry then you take the symmetric about the y axis. There is no negative portion, so you can neglect them. So next, if you learn this video very properly, then you will sure it will be helpful for you. तो अगर आपको कोई भी क्वेश्चन ऐसा लग रहा हो कि जो समझ में ना आया हो, तो आप इस कमेंट सेक्शन में बताइए. वी विल ट्राई टू again make you understand for this type of question, and for any doubt, for any other queries, just write on the comment section so that we can know where you are facing problem to solving the question related to even or odd function. So आप सभी का बहुत बहुत धन्यवाद. तो अगर अभी तक आपने इस चैनल को सब्सक्राइब नहीं किया है तो सब्सक्राइब कर लीजिए, जिससे आने वाली सभी मॉड्यूल आपको सबसे पहले मिलेंगे. आपका बहुत बहुत धन्यवाद. थैंक यू.